Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be breaking down the different kinds of the 1099 form and who they're for and what they mean. A 1099 shows anything that is not considered to be standard income. So it reports income from self-employment earnings, interest dividends, government payments, stuff like that. There's many different ways that you can receive a 1099, and it's different from like a 9-to-5 job that would require you to file a W-2. The person or entity that is responsible for sending out and filling out your 1099 has to send it to you by January 31st. So this goes for any person or entity that has paid you over $600 for that given tax year. The first type of 1099 form I'm going to go over is the 1099 miscellaneous. So this one would be for independent contractors. So for example, if you're like a freelance videographer and you hire yourself out to individuals or companies on a contract basis, then each job you receive an income from should be reported to you on a 1099 form like this one. And there's also 1099s for interest and dividends. So if you have a portfolio of stock investments or mutual funds, you may receive a 1099 DIV, and same if you received interest for like an interest-bearing bank account, that taxable income would be reported to you on a 1099 INT. And for payments from the government, this would be reported on a 1099-G form. This would show things like unemployment compensation and state income tax refunds, pretty much payments issued by the government that can also be taxed. Another type of 1099 is for withdrawals from a retirement account. This is called the 1099-R. So like when you withdraw money from your traditional IRA, in most cases it is taxable, and then you'll receive a 1099-R that reports your total withdrawals for that year. And this form also covers other types of distributions that you might receive from like pension plans, annuities, or profit sharing plans. And usually the 1099-R will show the taxable amount of the distribution on the form itself and will report the amount of federal tax that was withheld. Okay, one more type of 1099 is the 1099-C, and this is for debt cancellations. So sometimes transactions can increase your taxable income even when you don't receive a payment. And so this can happen like when a creditor cancels a portion of your outstanding debt. So for example, like if your credit card company no longer requires you to pay your outstanding balance, they may send you a 1099-C to report the amount of debt that it canceled out, and you may need to report this amount on your tax return. So yeah, those are the different types of 1099 that you can use to report your income to the IRS. And I'll have more videos later on breaking down how to read each individual one, but that's just kind of like a basic overview for now. So take care guys, and I'll talk to you soon.